Microsoft recently released Windows 10 KB50017116 that's supposed to upgrade Windows versions nearing the end of the support cycle. However, for a few users the update not installing and causing 0x80070643 error. While trying to investigate this issue, what I found that Microsoft previously issued this update in October 2023 and most of devices already installed this update. And for some reason, Microsoft reissued the same update to those machines, causing the error. To resolve this error you need to uninstall the older update installed in October 2023 and reinstall it again through this month's update. To uninstall the older update, go into Settings then Apps, and under Apps and Features, scroll down until you see the update, click on it, and then click on Uninstall. Once done, you need to reboot your computer. To do this, tap on Start menu, Power, then Restart. Once your device restarted, again open Settings, go to Update and Security, then hit Check for updates. I hope this time Windows 10 KB50017116 update will install successfully without any error or problems. If you are still experience problem installing Windows updates, you should run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter that automatically diagnose and fix problems related to Windows Update. Open Settings, go to Troubleshoot, then Additional Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update and click Run the Troubleshooter. It will detect issues such as missing or corrupted update files, incorrect settings, and software conflicts and try to resolve them automatically. Again, over time, the Windows Update cache can become corrupted or filled with outdated files, which can interfere with the update process. By clearing the update cache, you're essentially resetting the Windows Update components, allowing them to download fresh update files from Microsoft servers. This can help resolve issues such as update installation failures or stuck update downloads. To clear Windows Update cache, first stop the Windows Update service. Next, open File Explorer, navigate to this PC, then C driver. Open the Windows folder, then Software Distribution folder. Open the Download folder and delete all files and folders there. To do this, press Ctrl+A to select all, then hit Del key. Now start the Windows Update service and try install the update again. Again, system files are essential for the proper functioning of the Windows operating system. If any of these files become corrupted or damaged, it can lead to various issues, including problem installing Windows updates. Run System File Checker command to scans for and repairs corrupt system files, ensuring that Windows Update can operate correctly. Once the SFC scan and repair completes, restart computer and try install the update again.